Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a container in Webflow at 2026. So what is a container? Containers keeps your content centered and limits its width to so your design looks clean and responsive on all screen sizes. It's usually placed inside a section. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can actually add it. So you'll need to first open the Webflow designer, and to do that you will need to go to your dashboard here and then just open your project on the designer. Okay, so just click on your projects, and then all you need to do is to go ahead and click on the add elements option on the left side bar. So just click it, and here you can see on this structure container option. So all you need to do is to click it and drag it to your design or your website. So here you will need to choose where you want to place it. You can place it under a layout or a section or inside the section, so it's up to you. So for example, I will let it just right here. And also you can add it from navigator. Okay, and to do that you will need just to press Z on your keyboard. Okay, and here on the navigator you will need to select your section. So for example, I will go with that section, intro header, for example, and here you will need just to right click it and just select it, and after that just go with add elements here and click on container. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.